Hello, how are you? I hope you enjoyed the beginning when I was putting things down very, very gently. I always feel so calm when I watch other people do that, so that was me trying to calm you down. Recently, I moved my workspace so that I could be closer to my garden, and this video is all about getting closer to plants. We'll be painting plants, interviewing plants, infusing plants, studying plants. It's going to be great. At least I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you find it great or good, whatever. Okay, whatever. I guess the color of this video is green, and so here I am mixing some greens together. We have some cooler greens and then warmer greens. My favorite are the warm greens. What about you? What kind of greens do you like? Or maybe you don't like green. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for being here. Bye for now. Talking a bit quietly so my neighbors don't judge. I've been drying the elderberry, or elderflower rather, for a while. I went to Monchique Mountain to pick them with my mom. It was really fun, although I think my mom didn't love that. It's been out here for a while. Okay, so just shake it. And I have this amber glass bottle. I'll just put it in. Usually the ratio is about 1 to 5. I think I need a bigger bottle. I have so much elderflower. But I think I'm going to do a ratio of like 1 to 4 or 1 to 3. And then now we just need to fill up the bottle with olive oil. Stay. We don't like to waste anything. I have some pouring on the edge here. Just going to use the rest that I had on that tray. This is going to be very potent. Go in, go in. It's something that I've done here and there, but I'm nowhere close to like any sort of skill level.
What is your name? Shizu. Where are you from? From Asia. How you taste? Good.
Hello, babies.
Hello.
How does it feel to grow here?
It's nice. We have like humidity. We have food. It's super nice. It's not too hot. It's not too cold.
What are you gonna look like when you're bigger?
Schwab, eine Elajagnus Humpelata.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you too. Bye.
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, Agnes.
That one was Ellie Agnes. Oh.
Hello, Agnes.
How old are you?
4 years.
Why are you so frosty on your leaves?
I can reflect the sun, so I don't need so much water.
Wow, that's amazing. Hi, it's really nice to meet you. You guys look so cute. What's your name?
Time.
Time?
We don't have time.
Oh, look, you have a friend climbing in you. Are you a friend of the plants? Or
I want to eat them.
what?
I want to eat them.
That's not nice. Can you please go away?
You also eat the plants. Why I cannot eat the plants?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. This little mic has been awesome for this video. So before we say goodbye, I thought that I would share some of the drawings and paintings that I've done over the last few weeks as I've been filming this video. If it's not interesting to you, then bye. Thank you so much for watching. Let's just take a look at the sketchbook. So there's this like sort of bean spread with bush bean because I had a bunch of beans in my garden and they all died. So I was like, okay, I gotta preserve their life somehow. And then we have a big beetle, a bird, a little mousey, and then more beans. So it's kind of like a beanie garden-y spread. This is like a tiger and nasturtium spread. I don't know. I just wanted to keep drawing because sometimes I feel like if I don't draw for a while, I'm gonna forget how to draw, which is so stupid, but anyways, it's good to just to keep it going. This is sort of like a Madagascar lemur spread. And by the way, these are not really spreads. They're not finished or anything like that. And I took a picture of this and then compiled it with a bunch of other, with these two here. These are two plein air sketches, like quick sketches that I did while I was at the beach. River Beach. Here is a little sage bundle, which I also took a picture of and then composed digitally with some digital sketches. And I'll show the process of that in the next video. And that's about it in terms of the sketchbook. Ooh, it's super hot today. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.